Does Kraken hold my crypto? Hey there, in this video, we're going to answer the question of whether or not Kraken holds your crypto. We'll also discuss the pros and cons of using Kraken as a crypto exchange. First, let's define what it means for a crypto exchange to hold your crypto. When you deposit crypto on an exchange, you are essentially lending your crypto to the exchange. The exchange then uses your crypto to facilitate trades between other users. In the case of Kraken, your crypto is held in a cold storage wallet. This means that the crypto is stored offline, which makes it much more difficult for hackers to steal it. Pros of using Kraken. Security. Kraken is one of the most secure crypto exchanges in the world. Fees. Kraken has some of the lowest fees in the industry. Liquidity. Kraken has a large trading volume, which means that you can easily buy and sell crypto. Features. Kraken offers a wide range of features, including margin trading, staking, and lending. Cons of using Kraken. Customer service. Kraken has a reputation for having poor customer service. Interface. The Kraken interface can be a bit difficult to use for beginners. Regulation. Kraken is not regulated by the SEC or the CFTC. So, does Kraken hold your crypto? The answer is yes, but there are some risks involved. If you're looking for a secure and affordable way to buy and sell crypto, Kraken is a good option. However, if you're concerned about customer service or ease of use, you may want to consider another exchange. If you're interested in learning more about Kraken, please check out the following resources. Kraken website, https://www.kraken.com. Kraken blog, https://blog.kraken.com. Kraken Twitter, https://twitter.com/SeattleKraken?lang=N. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more crypto content.